dear friends. I am SV Raut, lecturer in Electrical Department, Government Polytechnic RV. Today we are going to study classification of distribution system. These are the learning outcomes. After watching this video, learner will be able to classify the distribution system, understand connection scheme of distribution system, draw the connection diagram of radial system, ring main system and interconnected system. Finally, distinguish between radial system, ring main system and interconnected system. Before starting the video, I would like to acknowledge Professor Dr. R.J. Dias, Head of the Department of Pharmacy, Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. Professor Dr. P.D. Argade from Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. And other staff members of Department of Pharmacy from Government Polytechnic, Jalgaon. Now, before coming to our topic, classification of distribution system, let me ask you one question. What are the parameters are taken into consideration while classifying the distribution system? Now take a pause, write down your answer, then we will move further. Now we see classification of distribution system. Distribution system is classified depending upon nature of current, type of construction and scheme of connection. According to the nature of current, it is classified into DC distribution system and AC distribution system. According to the type of construction, it is classified into overhead system and underground system. And finally, according to the scheme of connection, it is categorized into three types: radial system, ring main system and interconnected system. In this video, we are going to discuss on distribution system depending on scheme of connection, that is radial system, ring main system and interconnected system. First of all, we see radial system. In this system, separate feeders radiate from a single substation and feed the distribution at one end only. Figure 1 shows a single line diagram of radial system for DC distribution, where a feeder OC supplies a distributor AB at point O. Obviously, the distributor is fed at one end only, that is point A in this case. Here, figure 2 shows the single line diagram of radial system for AC distribution. The radial system is employed only when power is generated at low voltage and the substation is located at the center of the load. This is the simplest distribution circuit and has the lowest initial cost. This is the advantage of radial system. However, it suffers from following drawbacks. The consumer near to the feeding points get high voltage, whereas last consumer suffers from low voltage due to voltage drop in the line. The consumer are dependent on single feeder and single distributor. Therefore, any fault on the feeder or distributor cuts off supply to the consumer who are on the side of the fault away from the substation. So, this type of system is suitable only for the short distance line. So, to overcome this drawback of radial system, we prefer ring main system. Figure shows the single line diagram of ring main system for AC distribution, where substation supplied to the close feeder L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S. The distributor are tapped from different points M, O, and Q of the feeder through distribution transformer. The ring main feeder has following advantages. There are less voltage fluctuation at consumer ends. The system is very reliable as each distributor is fed via two feeders. In the event of fault on any section of feeder, the continuity of the supply is maintained. For example, suppose there is a fault occur at any point F of section SLM of the feeder. The section SLM of the feeder can be isolated for repairs, and at the same time continuity of the supply is maintained to all the consumers via feeder SR, Q, PO and M. Now, after discussing radial system and ring main system, we are able to give the answer of compare radial system and ring main system of this question. Now take a pause and write down the answer of this question. Now we see next system, that is interconnected system. When the feeder ring is energized by two or more than two generating station or substation, it is called as interconnected system. Figure shows the single line diagram of interconnected system, where the closed feeder ring ABCD is supplied by two substation S1 and S2 at point D and C respectively. Distributors are connected to the point O, P, Q and R of the feeder ring through distribution transformer. The interconnected system has the following advantages. It increases the service reliability. In peak hours, the area can be fed by both stations, so this reduces reverse power capacity and increases the efficiency of the system. In this way, we discuss classification of distribution system and connection scheme of distribution system. Thank you.